You see this? These are all the tutorials I watched so I can understand and integrate this subject into my game. And yet, all this work was for only one triangle to appear on my screen. Well, maybe more than one. Because this is the first step for procedurally generating terrain. But first I'll explain. What exactly is procedural generation? In simple words, it's a way to automatically generate media via sets of rules. By media I mean textures, animations, maps, dungeons, pixels, and data in general. It's used in many movies and TV shows to create battle-like scenes like in Lord of the Rings, where they added more soldiers to the scene. In games, procedural generation used in a wide range of areas, from items and buffs to the land you walk on, and that's called terrain generation, which is what I try to do with this triangle.